Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a chef salad with the ingredients that I had given you already, which is either an iceberg lettuce or a romaine lettuce, and I given you a 4 eggs. One is going to be used to hard boil it, and as you can see right over here, I already got my water going, and we're going to just throw an egg in there. Well, not throw it, you want to gently put it in. So let me flip this up and then so I can show you. You can see here, I already got the water boiling, and I'm gonna go ahead and gently place this egg in there. Here, you either got an iceberg lettuce right over here, or this is a romaine lettuce. That's it. There you go. There you have it. You can add some ham if you like. Again, I'm gonna put some cheese at the end and my dressing, which is ranch, and that's the end. Thanks guys. Bye.